Hello, my name is Erina.
Hi, my name is Zanisha.
Hi, my name is Shafika. So today we will explain about
The first law of transition elements. The elements include from scandium to zinc. Let's start with scandium first. Scandium forms scandium oxide and scandium hydroxide both in the plastily oxidation state. These compounds are white, insoluble in water, and basic like many metal hydroxides.
Next is titanium. The most common oxide is titanium oxide, a white and also amphoteric solid. That means it reacts with both acid and also bases, and it used in sunscreen and also paint. While titanium hydroxide are not well defined, but to tend behave similarly.
So the third one is vanadium. Vanadium show multiple oxidation states. So it forms different oxides, which is V2O3, VO2, and V2O5. V2O5 are bright yellow orange color and are used in a catalyst. Vanadium hydroxide are more complex but have the same acid-base strength.
Chromium also shows a range which are CrO, Cr2O3 and Cr2O3. CrO is basic and black in color. It shows +2 oxidation state. Meanwhile, Cr2O3 is green and amphoteric and shows +3 oxidation state. Lastly, Cr2O3 is red-orange in color, acidic and also toxic. And it also shows +6 oxidation state. Other than that, chromium 3 hydroxide is green and also amphoteric, meaning that it reacts with both acid and bases.
Next is manganese. Manganese is famous for many oxidation states such as manganese 2 oxide, manganese 4 oxide and manganese 7 oxide, while manganese hydroxide is light pink and basic but easily oxidized in air.
The next one is iron. Iron form iron oxide, iron 2 oxide, and iron 3 oxide. Iron 2 hydroxide is a pale green color and a basic state, while iron 3 hydroxide is a brown color and a weakly amphoteric.
Let's move on to cobalt elements. Cobalt commonly forms +2 and +3 oxidation state. Cobalt 2 oxide is pink in color to black solid and basic. Meanwhile, cobalt 2 hydroxide is pink and insoluble to water. Lastly, cobalt 3 forms acid, but they are unstable in water.
Next is nickel. Nickel 2 oxide and nickel hydroxide is both green and also basic, and it used in rechargeable battery, while nickel 2 oxide are very rare and not very stable.
Other than that is copper. Copper oxide is a red color and basic state, while copper 2 oxide is a black color and a basic state. Meanwhile, for copper 2 hydroxide is a blue color, slightly soluble in water and basic state, but it easily reacts with acid.
Lastly, let's talk about zinc element. Zinc element is the last element of the first law of transition elements. It only forms the +2 oxidation state, a colorless compound and used in galvanization. Meanwhile, zinc oxide is white and amphoteric. Zinc 2 hydroxide is also amphoteric, reacting with both acids and bases. It's used in medicine, sunscreen and also paints.
So, what trends to be noticed? First, lower oxidation state for oxides and hydroxide are usually basic. Second, higher oxidation state tend to be acidic or amphoteric. Third, color vary and help us to identify oxidation state.
That's all from us!
Let's continue to our presentation.